Good morning, friends. Hope you are all fine at your home. My topic on emergency continues, and today is another important question could be asked by the CBSE examination board. That is, what were the controversies regarding emergency? I repeat the question. What were the controversies regarding emergency? So, my topic is also the controversies regarding emergency. Emergency is one of the most controversial episodes in Indian politics. One reason is that there are differing अलग view हैं, points about the need to declare emergency. Some people say it was not in need to declare emergency. It was a hasty decision. It was a point to curb the opposition in the democratic society. But many are in favor of emergency still. And they said that another reason is that the powers given by the constitution, the government practically suspended the democratic functioning. I told you just now that some people say that internal disturbances were at rampant. Corruption was at rampant. Right? People wants to create obstacles before the well functioning of the government. That's why emergency was declared and necessary. Some are in favor of emergency, some are not in favor of emergency. As the investigation by the Shah Commission who investigated the emergency and causes and consequences. Shah Commission, after the emergency, found out there were many excesses. लोगों के ऊपर अत्याचार किए गए. Excesses committed during the emergency. Finally, there are varying assessments. I told you, varying assessments. Some people will say, yes, emergency was necessary. Some will say that not at all. Emergency is a black spot on the democratic society. Of varying assessment of what the lessons of emergency are of the practice of democracy in India. Let us look at these one by one. Let's debate. Was emergency necessary? क्या emergency ज़रूरी थी? The constitution simply mentioned internal disturbances. Constitution क्या कहती थी? कि due to the internal disturbances, emergency has to declare. Emergency was necessary. As a reason for declaring emergency before 1975. Emergency was never proclaimed on the ground. We have noted that agitations were going on in many parts in the country. So agitation, you can say that agitation was a main point. Agitation was the main point to declare the emergency. Was this reason enough for declaring emergency? I told you just now. Was this is the reason for declaring emergency? The government argued that the opposition parties must allow the elected ruling party to govern according to the policies. It felt that the frequent resources to agitations, protests, and collective action are not good for the democracy. ये कह रहा है कि बेसिकली जो भी गवर्नमेंट को इलेक्ट किया गया, whosoever elected, because it's a India is a democratic country, whosoever elected the government, the people, the parties, the main maybe the opposition parties should allow the government to rule. But if they continue with agitation, they continue disrupt the government, then it is really difficult to continue. Right? Supporters of Indira Gandhi also held that in a democracy you cannot continuously have extra parliamentary politics targeting the government. You should not target every time the government. Opposition in India, basically opposition always pull up the legs of the ruling party. Maybe ruling party is doing good or not, that is not the concern. Opposition means they will create some type of hurdles before smooth movement of the government. Right? So this leads to instability and distracts the administration from the routine task of ensuring development. तो जहाँ पर भी बहुत ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्टीज होंगे, डेवलपमेंट विल नॉट बी देयर. डेवलपमेंट विल बी एट स्टेटस को, जहाँ पर है वैसा ही रह जाएगा. सो दिस इज दैट द opposition should also allow the ruling party to run the government. They should not create every time some hurdles so that the ruling government should not be able to function smoothly. Its routine task of ensuring development. All energies are diverted in manufacturing and in maintenance of law and order. Whatever their resources, the ruling party have to put all the resources for the maintaining peace and harmony. So, and maintaining the orders in the society. So it is not good. The resources should be for the development, not all the time for maintaining peace and security. So next part in next video. Till then, take care and have a good day. Thank you.